Are you ready to supercharge your investments in 2024? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, the right growth stocks can skyrocket your portfolio. Stick around as we uncover the top 5 growth stocks you can't afford to miss this year. Let's dive in. Stock number 1. Our first pick is MicroStrategy Inc. Average revenue $467.24 million. Number of employees 1,934. This company has seen its stock price climb by 513%. Stock number 2. Intuitive Machines Inc. Average revenue $203.52 million. Number of employees 382. This company has seen its stock price climb by 538%.
Stock number 3. Moving on to Summit Therapeutics Incorporated. Below average revenue $0.00 million.
And stock number 4 pick is Applevin Corp. Above average revenue $4,289.73 million. Number of employees 1,745. This company has seen its stock price climb by 745%. Stock number 5. And finally, let's talk about Nuscale Power Corp. Below average revenue $7.38 million. 801. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more investment insights and comment below what's your top growth stock pick for 2024.